Assalamu alaikum, ahlan wa sahlan, wa marhaban bikum. Hi everyone. In this lesson we are going to start learning Arabic verbs inshaAllah. And this lesson will be introduction to Arabic verbs. Al-Af'al, verbs. Most Arabic words are formed from three base letters. These three letters join together to establish a meaning. The letters fa, ayn, lam, fa'ala are used as modal base letters and express the meaning of to do. Verbs in the English language are conjugated to reflect the subject of the verb. For example, he did and we did. Here the pronouns he and we indicate the subject. Arabic verbs are conjugated in a similar manner. While English verbs are conjugated by placing a noun or pronoun before the verb, Arabic verbs are conjugated by adding designated letters to the end of the verb. In particular, the Arabic verb is conjugated to reflect three aspects of its subject. First one, person, such as first and second, third person. Second one, gender, masculine and feminine. And the third one, plurality, singular, dual or plural. Arabic is relatively straightforward when it comes to tenses. Some languages have many tenses and are very specific about the time of an action and whether or not the action has been completed. In Arabic, there are only three base tenses, and these are past or perfect tense, al-madi. Example, fa'ala means he did. And the second one, present or imperfect tense, al-mudari', yaf'alu, he is doing. And the third one, imperative tense or command, al-amr, if'al, do. And besides these three tenses, we also have future tense, al-mustaqbal, and that is made by adding sin or sawfa, sa or sawfa before the present tense. Example, sayaf'alu or sawfa yaf'alu, he will do. Difference between sa and sawfa, sa is for near future and sawfa is for far future. And also we have prohibition and nahw, and that is made of la plus present tense verb. Example, taf'alu, you are doing, and la taf'al, don't do, prohibition. Let's give more examples for each tenses. We have al-madi, al-mudari', al-amr and al-nahy. فعل يفعل افعل لا تفعل فعل he did يفعل he is doing افعل do command and لا تفعل don't do. Instead of giving all the meanings, we can call these as to do. One translation will suffice. Next example, كتب يكتب اكتب لا تكتب, and that means to write. فتح يفتح افتح لا تفتح, to open. جلس يجلس اجلس لا تجلس, to sit. شرب يشرب اشرب لا تشرب, to drink. قرأ يقرأ اقرأ لا تقرأ تريد درس يدرس ادرس لا تدرس to study سمع يسمع اسمع لا تسمع to hear نظر ينظر انظر لا تنظر to look عمل يعمل اعمل لا تعمل to work دخل يدخل ادخل لا تدخل to enter ذهب يذهب اذهب لا تذهب to go. And that's all today. I hope this lesson was beneficial, and as I said, this lesson was introduction to Arabic verbs, and we are going to learn more details in the future inshaAllah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.